Hey, how's it going? It's Neil from the Clearline Interactive, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set your margins so they're not right against the edge of your screen here or your page. So this is the page that we want to emulate. It has like a good inch, half inch in between here, and resizes when you resize the screen. And this is the page we're going to affect. All right. So if we log into both pages or look at the back end of each page, we'll see a difference to the way they're laid out a little bit. So here's the parents page. This is the one we want to emulate. So we have this section here, and this is they call it the page hero. So this has the image at the top with the family and stuff like that. And then there's a break. Then you have a custom heading and then the paragraph, right? On this one, we have the hero, and then I noticed there was no break here in between, and then the heading and the paragraph are all in the same text block here, right? So first thing we're going to need to do is to separate these two, or else anything we do to this one is going to do the same thing to the top, right? So instead of having that image go from side to side, edge to edge, that will be affected by the margins too and be brought in when that's not what we want. So probably the easiest way to do that, I think, just copy that. So we make a complete copy of this whole block. Then on this one up here, we'll get rid of this stuff. Get rid of the separator, I guess. And then on this one, get rid of this, and let's move the text block up. And actually, let's see if we can move this even further up. Yeah, so it's just right in its own thing. Get rid of that bottom area. All right, so now we have the two sections, and let's just see how that looks on the front end. Make sure we didn't break anything. All right, click on the page. Yep, still to the edge. Looks good. We have like a little bit too close there. A little bit of we're missing a gap there. So maybe that separator would have been good to keep. So anyway, we are looking to emulate this. So let's take a look at what we have here. If you want to edit a block, go to this pencil and take a look. And then look at design options. Nothing interesting there. Design options here. Nope, nothing. All right. But when I click here, this is going to make the margins. All right. So this is the second block. Click into the pencil. Go all the way to the bottom. You have extra class name. So this is just a code or something they put together when they designed the site to, dictate the look of paragraphs. So if you copy this code or whatever, just P5P, close this, and then we go back to this side and go into the second pencil, the second box edit area. Scroll to the bottom, there's nothing there, right? We just add that code in there, save it, update the page, and then go back to the front end and take a look at it. This is still to the edge. Now we have our margins. But we kind of have this area here. So let's see how they adjusted that on this. See anything there? I know one of them had 15 pixels at the bottom or something. Nothing there. But I guess that's what we can do here is we'll go back into the back end, and right above that line, we're going to add some space. All right, so right above this line. So what we need to do is click into this column, go to design options, go to padding, and let's try 20 pixels and update it. We'll go look at the front end. Looks a little bit better. Let's see how it looks on the original page. Looks much larger, right? And if you wanted to copy the color and everything on this, you could just go into the back end and see, you know, what color that is, and or if you wanted to use the custom heading there, just like they did on the other one, you can find that setting. But in this case, I'm just going to increase that distance a bit more. Maybe do 35 pixels. See what that looks like. Update the page. Click View Page. Yeah, looks better. I don't think it's exactly right. Maybe 50 would be better. I'll try that. And then I think we'll be done. All right, click on the column settings. Try 50. Update the page. View the page. Yeah, that looks pretty good. But yeah, if you wanted to make it look exactly like it, you would need to use this. Copy this. Custom heading. Click in here. This has no class names. It's just H2, center, color. So you can find all the settings for that in there. I'll let you mess around with that. But yeah, so custom, what is it? Class settings down at the bottom of those. That's what you're looking for to add the margins. And that would be right in here. Just a review. Bottom of the page, extra class name, boom, right there. All right. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.